If you wonder what we eat for Easter here in Germany, please keep on watching. The Easter celebration here in Germany starts already on the Maundy Thursday. The day is called Gründonnerstag, and this is the day of the Last Supper. So the tradition here in Germany is to eat green vegetables, because grünen or greinen means actually to cry. All over Germany, a lot of people eat cooked potatoes with hard-boiled eggs and spinach. But in Frankfurt, we consider each other very lucky because we've got the Frankfurt's famous green sauce that contains 7 herbs, sour cream, lemon, sugar, salt, pepper, and hard-boiled eggs. Is a healthy start, right? After eating the greens on Maundy Thursday, it comes Good Friday, and this is a day of fasting. On that day, we eat fish rather than a meat. Fish, it was considered not a delicacy, and let's be honest, I don't know what was wrong with those people. But anyway, it was cheaper than a meat, and this is how we did our fasting. There are some regions in Germany that served other dishes than a fish on Good Friday. For example, in Münster, they do Struwen, which is yeast pancakes that are very often made with raisins. It is a very simple dish that is served then with a sugar and cinnamon. I think that they do fasting a bit better than we here in Frankfurt. We don't have particular foods that we eat on Saturday, but after Saturday comes Sunday, and this is where the real celebration really begins. So the most festive and important meal of the day is the Easter breakfast. And traditionally there are a few foods that are on every Easter table in Germany. One of those dishes are the painted hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are a long-standing symbol of fertility and new life, and therefore they appear at the German Easter table. At the German Easter table, you surely is gonna not find only painted eggs, but also chocolate eggs. Aren't we lucky? We can have a chocolate for breakfast. And by the way, did you know that egg hiding tradition came actually from Germany? Also, in many families, there is a tradition to bake Hefezopf, so braided yeast bun, that can be baked in different shapes and forms. In Frankfurt, it is very popular to bake it as a nest. I think that just looks so cute and pretty. Hefezopf is our Easter bread, and the bread, as probably you know, has a very strong link to the Christian religious ceremonies, as it is said to represent the body of the Christ. Hefezopf contains sugar, and therefore it is rather eaten with sweet toppings. As you have already seen in our breakfast video, we love serving our bread with a jam, chocolate and hazelnut cream, honey, and obviously butter. Some people like eating yeast bun on its own, but I need to have at least butter with it. I am sure that there are also some families that serve savory toppings with a bread roll as well for the Easter breakfast. This is not what we do, but we surely eat savory for dinner. For Easter dinner, we usually eat roasted lamb. Lamb is a symbol of Jesus Christ. Lamb has become linked with Easter due to the reference of the Jesus being sacrificial lamb of God. Some families traditionally on that day also serve a rabbit, which is braised or roasted. So now you know what we eat for Easter here in Germany, and I hope that this video was very informative for you. If you don't know me yet, my name is Marta from Cooking the World, and I am food guide in Frankfurt. For more content about traditional food, please follow us on Facebook. Last week I have filmed a video about traditional Polish Easter dishes, because part of our family actually comes from Poland. So if you are interested what they eat in Poland for Easter, you can watch this video next. At this point, I wish you happy Easter. I hope that you're gonna find the time to spend it with your loved ones. Happy Eid, stay safe, and I see you in the next one. Bye!